Good afternoon, everyone. It's Tuesday afternoon. It is March the 24th, and this is Whiteboard Weather. Hope you're having a great day today. I will be the first one to admit I'm going to own it. I was more optimistic that we would see at least a little sunshine today. And I was more optimistic that we'd get a little push of some slightly warmer air in through the afternoon. Neither of which happened. It's been cloudy all day. It's been dry. But as a result of the clouds, temperatures haven't moved a whole lot. Started this morning around 37, 38 degrees. We're running in the low 40s this afternoon. So we've increased about 4 or 5 degrees from this morning to this afternoon. So there is better news. I do expect it will get warmer later in the week, but that's also going to come eventually with some more rain showers. We'll talk about it in a minute. First off, if you missed the headline today, the Summer Olympics have now been canceled, postponed for this summer. And they'll be moved to next summer, 2021. So the Summer Olympics that were scheduled for Japan will be pushed back 1 year. And also, as I talked about earlier today, and I put a post on Facebook, tomorrow at noon, high noon, straight up noon, the school bell's ringing, baby. We're going to go back to weather school. I'm going to be teaching some concepts, principles, some fun tips about weather. It's weather education for all, adults and kids alike. So if the kids aren't in school, no problem. We can learn together tomorrow at noon. Usually lasts about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how quickly I can get through some of the concepts. We'll also answer some questions as well. So post those questions in the post that I listed about weather school tomorrow. Right now, there's only a few questions, so get those questions in and we'll try and blow through as many of those as possible tomorrow. Also, when you get a chance, I always ask that you pay a visit, give some love to the website. It is PittsburghWeatherNow.com. It's the home from everything whiteboard weather. We have a new little weather education tidbit that dropped today. It's a weather education article about the types of thunderstorms. They come in all shapes and sizes, and this little blog post talks about the varieties of thunderstorms. You can link to it directly from PittsburghWeatherNow.com. That is the homepage. You can listen to the theme song, snap your fingers and tap your toes along with that, and get yourself some fine merchandise from the Pittsburgh Weather Now shop. It's everything whiteboard weather, t-shirts, long and short sleeve, as well as some sweatshirts as well. What do you say we head outside right now? Let's check out some of the temperatures. As I mentioned, a little bit of a struggle to get the numbers up this afternoon. 43 in Washington, same in Latrobe. Pittsburgh 41, 40 in Beaver Falls, same in Newcastle. Across the board, everyone reporting cloudy skies. A quick check of, well, let's do this first. Let's check radar very quickly. No precipitation in the area, as I said. It is dry, but you'll see back here in parts of southern Ohio, heading towards southeastern Ohio, that's the leading edge of some moisture. It will be coming in our direction. I don't expect it's going to reach us until after sunset this evening, so it's going to be dry for the remainder of this afternoon. So if you want to get a walk, a jog, dog walk in, whatever the case, a bike ride, you can get it done over the course of the next few hours. There'll be no rain in the area until after sunset this evening. All right, let's head back. I'll show you the weather maps. This is the way things are going to play out. You have high pressure up here. That's funneling some of the cooler air in from the north, and you have low pressure down here across parts of the deep south. This low is going to stay to the south, but its moisture field is going to leak a little further to the north. As a result, we'll likely see some rain showers, again, breaking out here after sunset. They're going to be generally light, and I think the steadiest of the rain will likely occur south of I-70, so down near Morgantown. a better chance you'll see a bit more in the way of rain than maybe Butler will. As you get further north, the rain will be lighter and more intermittent, and I do think it wraps up sometime tomorrow morning. I think the best time frame at this point does have rain showers in the area at 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, but not long thereafter. By 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, the rain showers will kick out, and high pressure will build in right behind that departing storm system. So tomorrow afternoon it will dry out, and it will stay dry. This is Thursday through the day on Friday, and we should get a stronger southwesterly flow on Thursday. As a result, I do expect temperatures are going to warm up nicely the latter half of the week. So that is a quick look at the next, say, about 48 hours. And a longer range outlook, I always like to show you these. This takes us through the first full week of April. Time frame goes through April the 6th. Much of the lower 48s, temperatures above average, and perhaps more importantly, you can see the B, it's that sort of taupey area. That indicates below average precipitation, which comes through our neck of the woods. So after this weekend, maybe we'll start to get into a period of a little less in the way of precipitation. So that's sort of your long-range outlook as we head into the first week of April, which is quickly approaching. We're only a week away from April, so there is that. Quickly running down a few birthdays today. You were someone you know celebrating. How about Peyton Manning? That's somebody you share a birthday with. Louis Anderson, Tommy Hilfiger, Jim Parsons. If you watch the show The Big Bang Theory, he's one of the characters, or plays one of the characters on that show. And Harry Houdini had a birthday today. National Chocolate Covered Raisin Day today. National Cheesesteak Day today. And National American Diabetes Association Alert Day today. So there you go. Those are your national days today. Now, let us head over to the whiteboard for the Simply Accurate No Hype Forecast, never a fearcast. And you guys know we've been doing this social distancing weather for 16 months. Everyone else is finally coming around to my way of thinking. Let's check it out. Again, the website is PittsburghWeatherNow.com. Visit it frequently, make it part of your favorites. Here's a look at your sunset time this evening, 7:36. Moon is waxing crescent. Hello, Burgettstown. How you doing today? Diane, how are you as well? Rainfall, midnight tonight through noon tomorrow. Go a 12-hour time frame. It may be more like 11 to 11, but not a lot of rain. About 2/10 to 3/10 of an inch of rain. The higher total, the 3/10 is going to be as you get toward Morgantown, and you may even see amounts as little as 1/10 of an inch of rain as you get up toward Butler. So less rain north and a little more to the south. The Super Soaker is going to be coming Friday and Saturday, a wet start to the weekend. I think over that 2-day time frame, we're probably going to see 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain. So my recommendation to you is when we have some dry periods the next couple of days, if you want to get outside and get some fresh air, socially distant, of course, take advantage of those opportunities because Friday and Saturday may not present a whole lot of those opportunities. Tonight, 41. So we're going to hold temperatures pretty steady, close to where they are right now. Cloudy skies. Showers arriving late tonight. I think in most cases it's going to be probably after 9 or 10 o'clock. And then tomorrow, 53, the high temperature. Morning showers, I think in most cases they'll be wrapping up before 10 a.m. Then remains mostly cloudy through the afternoon. Tomorrow night, I do think we'll see the clouds breaking. Fair skies, 39 degrees. Thursday is going to be the pick of the week, 62 degrees. A milder day with a mixture of clouds and, yes, some sunshine. Should be mixing in throughout the day on Thursday. Now, as we get into Friday, again, that wet period starts. Friday, showers are back, 60 degrees. On Saturday, damp and mild, 64. So it's going to be mild, but it's going to be wet at times, Friday and Saturday. And then on Sunday, 59 degrees, and still the possibility of a few showers on Sunday. I think the wettest 2 days are going to be Friday and Saturday, with just a couple lingering or leftover showers on Sunday, and again 59 degrees. So above average temperatures for the most part over the next 5 days, and as I showed you, long range is indicating generally above average temperatures through the end of the month and into the first week of April. So again, a quick recap if you're just joining us. If you want to take a walk, you want to get outside for a little bit, no rain until after sunset this evening. Then overnight tonight, tomorrow morning, probably looking at, in most cases, about 0.2 of an inch of rain, which will be over by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Then dry the rest of the day tomorrow, dry tomorrow night, dry all day Thursday. Friday and Saturday looks to be a fairly wet period with a number of disturbances coming through along a stationary boundary, and that's going to create a lot of opportunity for periods of rain, Friday and Saturday. So there you go. It's going to do it for today. Got all the weather information you need to know. I ask, as always, that you please share Whiteboard Weather with your Facebook friends. The more you share, the bigger the community becomes. Also, let everyone know about the weather school in session tomorrow at noon, high noon. Put your questions in there, and not in this post, but in the post relating to the weather school. It's for all ages, adults, kids alike. We'll run down a number of topics, so spend part of your lunchtime tomorrow with me, learning a little bit more about the world of weather. That's going to do it for my little world of weather today. Hope you have a great rest of this Tuesday afternoon. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. for Wake Up Whiteboard Weather. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.